Hello everybody, I hope it's recording. I can't remember if it is or not. It is recording, lovely. I'm going to just go out for a ride. I just finished work, but basically I haven't done a vlog for quite a while now, mainly because I've been working like it is now. It's gone past 9 PM, and then the day off I do get off, I've been doing the videos for the bike maintenance, and in normal ones, Arabic, French, Spanish, the 125, the 155, the 310X, etc. Doing the new K350. But I just wanted to show you what I've done to the bike. We put a lot of stickers on my bike because my sons wanted to, my grandkids got stickers, so I put them on them. So we put stickers on the front, down the side, or on the front here, on the front there. These are Monster Energy original stickers. I don't know what they class them as, the ones from the factory, so you know they're fakes. So. And I did my back wheel, because I put the new chain on, but I put a 42 tooth. I had a 42 tooth, I put a 40 tooth rear sprocket on with a new chain, so I could bring it forward, because I'd take a couple of links out of the chain to bring it forward, because obviously it's a slightly smaller sprocket than the 42 tooth. But yeah, so it's brought it forward again now, so the wheelbase is narrow again, so it's tight on turning, and I got some play then for when the chain slackens off a bit, I can pull it back. But yeah, I just thought I'd go out for a ride quickly. So let me jump on. Oh, if I can get on, he says, getting old me. Right, but I better do my pocket up. If I don't do my pocket up, I'll lose my keys. There you go. One. You can't see my dash. See, I can see that beautifully. I can see the revs and everything, what gates and the lot. It's just plain and beautiful. But I think you just see a white screen. Put the lights on. Turn the high beams off. Right, let's jump on. Right, we'll go for a little ride. I'm all done. Yeah, with the 40 tooth rear sprocket, I got some questions like, well, will the chain fit? So, well, no, the 114 link standard chain, basically, mine was a brand new one, so I could take some links out. I wouldn't advise you taking links out of an older chain. I mean, I only took one link out, but that's taking one link out. It's a bit like taking two links out. It's hard to explain, but that's the you know, you don't try to take two out. Just take one out, one link out, and what Spicy 110. If you ever watch his video, Spicy 110, it's good. He shows you how to do that. How to take a link out quite easily. And yeah, so now I'm down to 40 teeth. I'm down to the wheels. Got lots of backward movement in it, so when the chain slackens, etc., I'll be able to move it back. I've got plenty of play to move it back, which is good. But yeah, it's brought the RPM down by about 500 RPM per gear. So like if you're in 6 gear, normally you're doing 60 miles an hour 6 gear, 50 miles an hour in 6 gear is 5,000 RPM, but you dropped by 500 RPM. Now, so as well as dropping it by 500 RPM, the gearing, you've increased the gearing in each gear, so you can give it somewhere a bit more in each gear before you hit the rev limiter, and there's not enough on the gearing to make you think, oh no, I'm losing power. You don't, because you change gear so fast when you give it some welly that no, you don't lose any whatsoever, any power, what you need, etc. Just brings the revs down a little bit for you, so you'll save fuel as well, which is a good thing, isn't it? Always best to stop and have a look. Like that. Yeah, so I'm sorry I haven't done any vlogging. It's just that I've just been so busy working, etc. and doing what I've got to do, you know, for the family, to earn money to pay all the bills, that I can only do when my time off is to do the videos, because I try to put 3 videos up a day of the maintenance videos. I've still got some more to do. I might do some reruns on the 125, 155 ones, the ones that are very important, like the clutch change, the brakes, etc. I'll rerun some of them, and I've got a new starter screen, you know, the startup to the videos. I got a new one of them, so I'll bang that on the front of this one as well. But yeah, it's lovely, nice and cool out. I'm just relaxing after work. Nice drive out. So how's everybody doing anyway? You don't lose any power whatsoever. We're at 500, we as a family, we're at 560 odd subscribers at the moment, which is absolutely superb. I never thought that the channel, you know, I only do Zontes mainly, all the videos. I never thought it'd get that high. But thank you all for that, and tell your friends, please ask them to subscribe if you can. We're trying to get it. I don't make any money out of the channel. I think you don't make any money, a little bit of money, until you get to over 1,000 subscribers these days. But I've seen a few ads creeping onto my videos when I've been looking at some older ones, and I'm thinking, why have I got ads on my videos? I'm not supposed to have ads on my videos. I think I turned around actually. I don't really need to be going all this way. And I'm thinking to myself, why are they putting ads on? Cheeky sods. Because I ain't making no money. You don't make any money out of it. There's a 40 mile speed camera down here, so you've got to be careful. Sorry about being dark, but this was just a quick one. Just to say thank you for all you subscribers and watching the videos, etc. And like I said, please tell your friends and stuff. If you can get your friends to subscribe, even if they don't even watch bike videos, just ask them, because it would be nice. Oops, there's this. Would be nice. Sorry, it's a 40 limit there. Would be nice to get some more subscribers. Look, you won't probably see that. There's nearly a full moon up there. There's one star right on the left hand side. Don't know what star that is, how far away it is. I'm dawdling here, aren't I? Looks nicer. Yeah, so basically that was I can't wait for I wouldn't go for it, even if the GK 350 came out, I wouldn't go for it. My next bike would either be a Zontes 700cc 800cc version, or it's going to be a zero electric bike, because I just, you know, I'm 62 years old now, but I haven't got that kind of money, so I'd have to wait for that. The zero, not a DSR or an SR or an S, like to get the SRS with the fairings on it, so then you wouldn't have to wash it as much. But that would be absolutely amazing. But there you go, I ain't got the brass, so I can't really do that. Not yet anyway. So just have to look what's available. But so this baby, I keep this baby, she's beautiful. She's exactly what it says on the tin. With the Bridgestone Batlax tyres, she's just amazing, grip wise. You can throw it into a corner quite easily to more or less get your knee down. Looks like it, because it's just quite tall, the bike, so you tend to throw it right down. Lots of grip there. Brilliant. Right, thank you very much. Please subscribe if you can. If you haven't already, subscribe please. But yeah, thank you for watching all my videos and stuff. This is just a short one, just to let you know what the bike looks like and stuff, and having fun, and just everybody relax and enjoy life, because this isn't a test or a run. This is normal. You get one shot at it, so enjoy your lives and look after your family and friends and everything, and just be good. Right, thank you for being here on this journey. Love you all. Thank you very much. See you all later. Tatty bye now.